Hello friends, welcome back to Bitword. In this video, going to learn about closed loop and open loop control system, how it's work. Let's see step by step. Here I have draw the block diagram of open loop control. You can see I draw controller and actuator or action, any action process for process controlling. You can take motor, any heating element, any physical like control valves, whatever you can take here. We are giving to input to controller, like any set point, or you can give the any timer, otherwise you can give the manual command also, and controller gives the command to actuator, like motor, whatever you can take, but there is a no feedback to controller. It's a only unidirection control. If you give the command, it will take action, and it will, if you not give the command, it will not take the any action to process control. It's the open loop control, and I will show you the one example of open loop. You can see here I have draw here. You can see controller, and I will take example of AC motor. If I set the timer input to controller, like 10 minutes for on condition and 20 minutes for off condition. If I give 10 minutes for on, 20 minutes for off, controller what will do? It gives the 10 minutes on command, and after 10 minutes it will gives the off command for 20 minutes for motor. You can take any other example. This is the open loop condition. There is no any feedback, and there is no any feedback based control. Just is here happening only commanding. It's the open loop controlling system. And let's see the closed loop control system. I have drawn a sketch block diagram. You can see here will come to another blocks: comparator, controller, output actuator, and process control happening, and we are taking a control variable like process feedback to again feeding to controller input through the comparator. You can see here you can give input or set point to the comparator, and comparator will take the process feedback from variable, and it will compare and gives the error to controller, and controller gives the command to actuator whatever set point give, and actuator will action, like you can take a control valve or heating element. You can take as AC cooling effect. What here happening? Feedback will coming to the input of controller. Let's see the example. I have drawn the closed loop example. I am taking here steam drum level control. You can see here is the level LT level transmitter, and it's a steam drum control valve, and it's a controller, it's a comparator. Input we have set at the for example 50% of 50%. Comparator will give the controller to the 50%, and controller gives the control signal to the control valve to maintain the steam drum level. If steam drum level transmitter will measure the steam drum level, and it gives the feedback to the input of controller. If drum level will less than 50%, it feedback will be goes to comparator. What will happen here? Input is 50, but feedback will be 40%. We got a 10% error. That controller will use the command to the control valve for valve open condition, because here drum level will be less than set point. It's the closed loop controlling system. I am giving example closed loop control system. You can take any other example like heating. For example, you can take a heating element for a particular temperature maintenance. This is all about open loop and closed loop control system, and we'll see in next video. Thank you for the watching.
Please subscribe our Bitword